Oh, yeah? Wow. Does it tell you how high that is?
Yep. 20 metres.
Yep.
Swat it. 30 metres.
Easy mistake to make.
Yep. Gee,
You know what? Let's go.
Yep.
Let's go sports mode.
Kickstarter.
And I'm doing 48
kilometres an hour.
Yep. Says you. That's distance for me, height,
Yep.
and speed.
Wow.
If I want to.
And then the...
This is an unusual car.
Wow.
Da-da-da-da.
Dan, we want you to take this on hiking trips, so the...
Yes, he keeps on trying to get me on hiking trips, and it's like, I got to have a spare weekend. I've got children at work.
Yes.
There you go, 90 metres.
Wow. How do you know when signal's backing out? Or...
Up there.
Oh, yeah.
Oops. There you go, max altitude. You can't go above 120 metres in Australia.
Okay.
And if it's not registered, the highest you can go is like 30 metres.
Wow.
Well, you should come along.
Have you got multiple batteries for this?
Yeah, that's battery 2. Well, that's wherever it is over there at the moment.
Oh, yeah. And charge you back up.
Wider one, Anne-Marie.
I've got portable charger. How do you...
I bought a portable charger as well. Oh,
Yep.
There we go. Do-do-do-do-do.
Where the heck is that?
See that mountain all the way over there?
Yeah.
That's where I am.
What?
Yep.
Okay.
See, I'm going slowly down now.
Yeah, and the signal's saying yellow.
Yep, there we go. That's where it starts dropping.
Yep.
And then about there, that's where it's like, yeah, about there you start losing the signal. You start thinking,
Go back.
maybe I'll go back.
Yep.
So if I slowly bring it round.
Can it not bounce off mobile phone towers or something?
No, because that's a different signal system.
All right.
I should have been recording the whole thing.
Oh, I recorded on my phone. Wow,
So
what's
if
all
it's-
that? Farm area?
Yep. So if I look over there,
Yep.
that's us over there.
Holy mollies.
If I bring it-
Have you ever seen crows like come up to it or...
There's been a few times where I've had birds flying around near it, and it's
Yep.
been like, yeah, please stay away.
Yep. Okay. Because that would mean that it just clips a blade and it just goes down.
Yeah.
Where's the outs? Oh yeah, 86 meters height. 80 meters height.
Yeah, I'll bring it
Distance
down.
800 meters. Is that to where
So
we
back to
started?
Here, yeah. So
Yep.
if I go there, doink.
Oh yeah, we'll show the route.
So the red line is basically straight back to me.
Okay. Wow. That's a very different perspective of where we just are, and you can't even see this thing. Like 56 meters. We'll be able to start hearing a hum or something? No, not yet.
Nope. Maybe a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Trees. There's our original line there.
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah,
That's the house over there.
yeah.
There's all the cars.
Wow.
And then...
And that's Dan's house. Where are we? Holy shit. Okay. Right. That's... Yep.
If I want to get,
Oh, and you can...
if I want to get tricky with it, I can
Yep.
do this. Let's see if it lets me do it.
Do you just select where you want to land?
Active track.
Yep. Oh, as a person? And it's going to follow you as you walk?
Yes, now. Then, come on. Track me.
And so if you walk back, it...
There you go.
Oh yeah, it's pivoting to...
Look who just turned up.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's been a long time, but still.
And then what I can actually do it is...
Did Ethan drive?
So 120 meters high.
Yep.
What's that equivalent to? Like a 90-story building or something?
And then if I want to, I can make it up a bit higher.
Yep.
There we go. I'll try and... I don't know if it's how it's going to track me at this height.
Yep.
You can do a point of interest. And then...
Obstacle unavailable. Oh yeah. Because it knows there's trees there. Yep.
And if I bring it back slightly...
Let the ring get bigger.
And then hit point of interest, go. There you go.
Oh, and it 360s you.
Yep.
Wait until I start.
Oh, yep. Is it not those tree? No.
A bit more.
Yep. What's camera like at night time? Is it okay still?
It's not too bad.
Little grain. Yep.
You watch it, look, it's like right,
Wow.
The tracking is not very good, obviously very high, but
Yeah.
it's not doing too badly considering.
If one of these came in your backyard and you're like doing the laundry or whatever, you're like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I reckon police would use these for surveillance to
oh, they
some
do.
degree.
They
Yep.
do. I've actually got for
Yep.
the front page of my home website. Oh, we've developed it.
Yep.
It's actually got this. I did it for my house, and I just got it slowly doing it around of the
Perimeter.
house.
Yep.
So
Wowzers.
the battery lasts, depending if you go on sports mode or cinematic mode or
Yeah.
normal, depends on how much flying you do.
How fast was it going when you went backwards and forwards? Is that
Oh,
60,
so if we go
48 kilometers an hour or something?
Yeah, so let's just turn off the cancel.
Follow.
that.
Yep.
Let's just go there. I'll turn her around. And I'll just go up a bit higher because obviously trees and shit are not fun.
Yep.
Sports mode. Okay, so side to side,
Yeah. Ooh.
30k an hour, 35k an hour.
Yep. That's impressive.
Let's go for a trip up the highway.
Yeah. Wow, that's next level of you know how was it in Russia jets fly over the highway and yeah.
So if I go the other way, I'll probably get a bit more because I think I've got a bit more tailwind then. And then
44 kilometers an 50
50.
kilometers an hour.
I have
50
clocked it at over 60 before.
Wow.
So
Oh, okay.
You could-
And then I can hear a car coming on the highway, so it will appear in a second.
if I just bring it
Alright.
down a bit, and it should go past any second now.
Oh, yeah, there he is. Yep. Wow.
So, and then if I want to, I can literally just go.
Return to home. Yep.
It starts beeping and automatically comes back to me. Go up to,
Wow, they call it RTH.
automatically goes to 60 just to make sure of any height issues.
Yeah.
And
Because the
then-
tree's not normally above 60
Yeah.
meters high. Yep. Okay, and that's
It
yep.
only, the only weird part is it takes the height as of this point.
Right.
So that doesn't necessarily mean it's the same height as, let's say, over at the mountain where
Yep.
we're at 120 and we're near the trees.
Oh, yes. So you got to pay attention. That's why it's beeping. So you're paying
What?
attention. What's going?
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, wow. How high is that?
60 meters. So now it'll turn around. Camera will start flipping down in a minute.
Yep. 44
Comes down.
meters, 40 meters. Wow. 60 meters in the highs seem pretty high. So if you said 120 is the max,
Yep.
yeah. Wow.
And then
And just a
gets to a
soft.
certain point and then just goes poof.
Yep.
But you can see why I've got the little extra.
Yep. Okay. That was a good landing. Yep. Wow.
That's basically, stop the recording.
Wow. Thanks for showing me
And
that.
that's at 4K.
Wow. 4K. Do you put the SD cards in that or are they on
In
that? Okay.
Yeah, so I got 128 gig card in. Just makes it easier.
Wow. That's crazy.